Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today we will see how to use wheat bran for weight loss, its benefits and also know few of its harmful components. Let us start. Before going straight to the topic, let us first understand how wheat bran is obtained. Wheat kernels compose of three components. Two of these components end up as byproducts in the process of milling the seeds. The outermost layer is called the bran, which is the husk. It is loaded with fiber and has excellent nutritional values. Its high dietary values helps in improving your health and even prevents you from various illnesses. It is found in many edible forms such as wheat flour, cakes, muffins, cereals, and many more staple food products. Now let us see how wheat bran aids in weight loss. It has been scientifically proven that the consumption of fiber in high quantities helps in weight loss. Wheat bran atta contains concentrated indissoluble fiber, keeping you full for a more extended period. Wheat bran atta not only aids in weight loss, it also helps in improving your gut health. It leads to improved digestion and hence add bulk to your stool. It also ensures good bowel and colon movements. Wheat bran also prevents bloating and discomfort arising due to indigestion. Wheat bran is an excellent source of probiotics and antioxidants such as phytic acids that help in blood purification. Another benefit of using wheat bran is that it lowers the cholesterol level and leads to a healthy heart. Now note down the harmful components in wheat bran. Wheat bran atta contains gluten, which can be of concern for people with celiac disease. It might lead to abdominal pain or diarrhea in these cases. Gluten also damages the lining of the gut for such patients. It contains fructans, which is a carbohydrate made up of a series of fructan molecules that is indigestible. The phytic acid present in the wheat bran prevents intaking minerals such as magnesium, zinc, etc. Phytic acid is generally termed as an anti-nutrient. Thus, I conclude that wheat bran has high nutritional value, which is an excellent source of fiber. It may also improve heart health, gut health, and can prevent colon cancer. It undoubtedly aids in weight loss. However, people with celiac disease must surely avoid it to protect against further damage. Thank you.